I'm very happy to be here in Weichan. It's very exciting. I'm here with a team from United Nations Tourism. We have a number of experts here looking at the product and determining how we can market it to the international market. We are very impressed with Weichan and the various product. In particular, the tea culture is fascinating. Last night we saw a fantastic dance performance, probably one of the best dance performances that I've seen anywhere in China or internationally, so it's really world class. And I hope to see it again sometime in the future. And today we went rafting, which was really fun on the bamboo raft, and to see all the beautiful mountain scenery in the background was quite stunning and incredible. And so I think that there's great potential for that. And hiking, we did a lot of hiking today, and I know that there's a lot more hiking that we could do, and I think that there's really great potential for building that up. But I have no doubt that in a few years this part of Fujian province will prosper tremendously through international tourism, and I look forward to coming again.